In this video, we're going to look at joint articulations. The idea here is that we want to get movement into all our joint structures, our knees, our wrists, our spine, so that we're ready to go into deeper, stronger movements thereafter. So to start, we're going to look at creating spinal mobility. So I think about creating a line between my tail and my crown. I'm going to be curving and bending that line. So with me, we're going to turn towards our right knee, and you bring your head down towards your right knee. And then inhale, we're coming up. Rotate your spine to your left, and then exhale, really flexing your front body. We bring our head towards the knee. Inhale, raising up, turn and spiral towards the right, and we bring our crown down towards the kneecap. Inhale, coming up, turn your chest, we're tall at the top, and then we flex our spine forward, breath out. Inhale, raising up, rotate, exhale, breath out. Inhale, raising up, exhale, flexing our spine forward. This time we're going to bring our hands up towards the skull, and we're going to flex our spine forward, having to use our postural muscles a bit more. It's a little bit stronger. Inhale, raising up, turn to your right. Exhale, we flex the body forward, having to grip the stomach slightly. And then inhale, lifting tall. That's our spinal warm-up. So we're going to extend high through that right hand and looking at side lateral flexing now. So we're bending our body to our left. Just be careful this left shoulder's not up in the air. We're pressing out through the heel of the hand there, creating a strong line. So I don't want to be floppy. I want to really extend out. Bringing some gentle wrist articulation, so warming up the wrist joint, hydrating the wrist joint. Holding here, little breath in. If you're comfortable, go all the way down, do so. And then exhale, coming up. Other side, so we lift that left arm high, really press up high, creating length through this left waist, left armpit. Inhale, bending across towards our left. Now creating some movement through the wrist. Careful this left bottom's not lifting off the floor, keeping that left buttock down. Possibly looking up to strengthen the neck, otherwise looking down just to relax the neck. Taking a breath here. Exhale, we come up tall. We want to use our spinal muscles to twist towards our right. You're going to press your left hand against that right knee and create a nice twist of the body looking behind of you, getting full rotation to your spinal wall. Take a little breath here, turning the heart space. Then let's look forward, just moving our neck muscles, warming up our neck muscles. We want to turn that around to our second side. So nice twist using your waist muscles first, and then bringing your hand to the knee and spiraling the back behind of you. Looking behind of you. We take a little breath here. Exhale, turning the head, looking to the front. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to bring our hands together and create some movement now through the wrists, articulating the wrist joint. So if you kind of have your elbows and forearms in, bringing movement to the wrist, reversing that. Little breath in. And a little breath out. Just for a bit of strength through the forearms, really stretch out through your fingers, getting heat and blood to move to the extremities. So you're kind of pulsing through your palms, taking our arms up, taking the arms out. We're going to turn the palms behind of us. Big stretch out of the arms behind of us. Turning your palms up to the ceiling and then bringing them in. You can feel that starts to really work your forearms, creating strength through the forearms. I want us to now stretch that out, working the flexors and extensors of the wrist. So you're pulling your fingertips back with that pressing through the right hand. Inhale. Exhale, we bring that down, bringing your fingertips in towards the forearm. You can feel a nice stretch through the wrist joint. Breath in, breath out. Second side, we're going to press through the forearm. So really drive through that left hand. Inhale. And then exhale, flexing that down. And then releasing. Good, good. We're going to have a look at our legs. So we're going to bring our legs forward and out. We have our ankles together. So again, for the ankle articulations, we press forward through the ball of the foot, and then we pull back. We press forward as we exhale, and then pulling back as we inhale. I'd like you to create some ankle articulations, warming up the ankle joint. So just slowly rolling the ankle, and then reversing that. We're going to bring our right knee in, placing your right arm underneath the kneecap, and you're going to bring your left hand to the heel bone. You're just lightly pulling the heel in towards your groin, and that's just lightly spacing open this right knee capsule. Pulling the heel in through the left hand. Take a breath in. Exhale. Other side, so left arm comes under, right hand to the, but I want to lift up through my spine so I'm tall in my back. I'm just lightly pulling this heel in, creating some opening through the kneecaps with my left knee joint. Take a little breath here. And then breath out, bringing the legs in. That's the end of that joint articulation video. We're going to now progress further and deeper into some of the stronger moves. We should feel nice and warm now in our joint structures.